Ki kubor ki bebenea. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ki sangma nin kesngi ula Pynlong Jingialang bat ki Tnat Treikam Jong ke Water Resources PHE bat Forest Department na ke benta ban shimkia ha ke ban penne pensa ya ke bat baro ki jingdon jingem ha ke Jylla. Kani ke jingem nir jingmut ke long ban penne pensa ya ki telong di hawa kedan lat kor lingba ke jingeda ya ke wa ken ki telong di na ke benta ki nong shok shnong Jong ke South Shillong. Haba penpau hilap thai kubor hadiah belakut ke Jingialang Myntri ke Tnat PHE Markez and Marak ulai tho ba ke sorkar kala lumlang ya ki Tnat Treikam beper na ke benta ki tei ki juk ki projek ban Treikam kenang ban la ban kenjo syakathong.
So in the meeting, it has come to the conclusion that the stakeholders will be called for the meeting at the level of DC. So DC will be initiating the meetings with all the stakeholders there, including the storm clearing people. So along with the Rangbah and headmen of that locality. So that decision has been taken. And as per the provisions of the forest and water source protection, steps will be taken. But first, the meeting will be held along with the stakeholders, Rangbah, and decision will be taken later on.
Ka North Eastern Police Academy nin kesengi kala Pynlong